Yo, what's... Shut up, Ian. Just... Okay, whatever. I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube. This one. Does it... What am I saying? Whatever. So yeah. Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna solve it. Let's go. So... Let's scramble it first. Just like... I don't know. That'll work. Okay. So, I'm gonna just look at it, and then I'm gonna solve it, and then why is it half solved? Why is... Oh my, I can't do anything right today. There we go. Okay. So, I'm gonna look at it, and then I'm gonna solve it, and, yeah. I'm just bored, so, let's go. Okay. We got that there, that there. Alright, I'm gonna solve this in... Why is my light so bright? Like, bro, I got the freaking sun behind me. Why? Whatever. I'm gonna solve this in 3, 2... I can't with the freaking sun behind me, bro. Whatever. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Alright. Enough fooling around. Where is it? Oh my... How I mess up in the first step, bro. Typical me. Oh my gosh. Go here. Kablam. I messed up. Kablam. Kablam. And let's go here. Got that done. Got that done. What the heck? I hate this cube, bro. Bro, the Rubik's brand of cubes is like the worst. It sticks so much. Bro, I haven't used this cube in like 4 years. Like, it's bad. Okay. Kablam. 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 It's stuck again. That lost me like 2 seconds. Ah! Solved. Hee hee. Hee hee. I'm so good. I'm so good. Okay. Thanks for watching. Stick around, subscribe, like the... Stop yelling. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stop saying that. Oh my gosh. Enjoy. Enjoy what? It's the end of the video. I don't know. Goodbye.